Winton Machine proudly presents the CTL-25A CNC wet, abrasive, cut-to-length tube cutting machine, your high-performance solution for cutting hard metals with precision, speed, and efficiency. This isn't just another wet saw, it's a production powerhouse, built to take on mild steel, stainless steel, and other tough alloys with ease. The CTL-25A is loaded with cutting-edge features. A laser sensor with automatic wear compensation ensures consistent accuracy. Servo feed to length delivers unmatched precision. An automatic loader and universal clamp jaws streamline production, while adjustable flood coolant position keeps your cuts clean and tools cool. With a digital touch control interface, programming is simple, whether you're making quick changes or running full batches. Our CNC tube cut to length has built-in safety features and optional offload tables to keep your operation safe and organized. Need even more automation? Add an optional magazine or hopper feed and take advantage of our advanced software options designed to maximize your uptime and efficiency. Every CNC tube cutter is engineered and manufactured right here in the USA, backed by over 25 years of innovation from Winton Machine. Proudly designed and manufactured in the USA, Winton Machine has been delivering engineered solutions since 1998. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-8832-11499 today, or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.